This short training session is designed for food handlers, supervisors, and managers. Subscribe for more practical food safety toolbox talks. Dirty cleaning cloths are one of the most overlooked contamination risks in food businesses. In this session, we'll look at how bacteria spreads through cloth systems, the legal duties businesses must follow under retained regulation EC number 852/2004, and the practical controls needed to keep food safe. We'll also cover color coding, storage, sanitizing, and high-risk cleaning mistakes. By the end of this session, you should understand the food safety risks linked to reusable cloths, how contamination spreads around food areas, and what environmental health officers expect to see during inspections. We'll also explain how to use safe cleaning systems properly, including disposable cloth use, correct sanitizer handling, safe storage, and effective color coding procedures. Dirty cloths don't remove contamination, they spread it. Damp cloths hold moisture, food debris, grease, and bacteria, creating ideal conditions for rapid bacterial growth. Harmful bacteria, including Salmonella, Listeria, Campylobacter, and Escherichia coli, can survive on dirty cloths and transfer directly onto food contact surfaces. This creates a serious risk of food poisoning in any food business environment. Cross-contamination can spread across an entire kitchen within minutes when cloths are used incorrectly. For example, a reusable cloth used to wipe raw chicken juices from a chopping board may then be used on a ready-to-eat sandwich counter. Bacteria transfers directly from the cloth onto the clean surface, creating a high-risk contamination point for customers consuming ready-to-eat food. Dirty cloths also create major allergen risks. Cloths contaminated with milk, nuts, peanuts, sesame, gluten, or egg residues can transfer allergens between surfaces and preparation areas. Even tiny traces may trigger severe allergic reactions in sensitive customers. Businesses serving allergen-free meals must have strict cloth controls to prevent allergen cross-contact during cleaning activities. Some surfaces present much higher contamination risks than others. Food preparation benches, slicers, machinery controls, fridge handles, raw meat spillages, and allergen preparation zones are all high-touch areas where bacteria spreads rapidly. If cloth systems aren't controlled properly, these surfaces become contamination points that spread bacteria throughout the business during normal daily operations. Several poor cloth handling practices are commonly identified during food hygiene inspections. Using one cloth all day without washing allows bacteria to multiply quickly. Leaving cloths damp on warm sinks encourages bacterial growth. Storing cloths in dirty water creates heavily contaminated soaking buckets, while using the same cloth across floors and food areas spreads contamination between high and low-risk zones. Environmental health officers expect businesses to demonstrate proper cleaning controls. This includes maintaining clean equipment and surfaces, using sanitizers at the correct dilution, operating visible color coding systems, and physically separating raw and ready-to-eat cleaning equipment. Failure to control cloth hygiene can directly affect food hygiene ratings and enforcement decisions. Single-use disposable cloths are one of the safest options for high-risk cleaning tasks. Disposable systems help remove contamination risks immediately because the cloth is used once and then thrown away. They're especially useful for cleaning raw meat areas, handling spillages, and controlling allergens. Many businesses also use disposable blue roll systems for quick cleaning during busy food service periods. Color coding systems help prevent cross-contamination by ensuring cloths are only used in designated areas. A common system uses red for toilets and washrooms, blue for general low-risk areas, green for food preparation areas, and yellow for raw food zones. Staff must receive training and regular supervision so color coding rules are followed consistently during every shift and cleaning task. Correct cloth cleaning procedures are essential for safe reuse. First, wash the cloth to remove visible food debris and dirt. Next, disinfect using an approved food-safe sanitizer at the correct concentration and contact time. Water alone isn't effective against harmful bacteria. Follow manufacturer instructions for rinsing if required, then fully dry cloths before reuse. Hot wash cycles are normally recommended. Clean and dirty cloths must always be stored separately. Clean cloths should be stored dry, off the floor, and away from chemicals or contaminated equipment. Used cloths should go directly into designated laundry containers and must never be left soaking in buckets or lying on preparation counters. Poor storage practices quickly lead to contamination and loss of hygiene control. In this cafe example, poor practice involves keeping one damp cloth beside the coffee machine all day. Staff use it repeatedly for milk spillages, wiping hands, cleaning counters, and wiping steam wands. This spreads bacteria rapidly across the service area. Better practice includes using disposable blue roll, replacing cloths every 2 hours, and using separate color-coded cloths for food and non-food cleaning. Staff should know how to identify cloth hygiene failures immediately. Warning signs include cloths that smell unpleasant, feel slimy, appear heavily stained, or become torn. Cloths left lying around on counters, stored in dirty water buckets, or found in the wrong color-coded area all indicate poor cleaning control and should be reported straight away to supervisors or managers. Every staff member has a responsibility to follow cleaning procedures correctly. This includes following color-coding rules, using sanitizer properly, replacing dirty cloths immediately, carrying out cleaning schedules, and reporting hygiene failures quickly. Managers must also monitor compliance daily and ensure standards are maintained consistently across all food handling and cleaning activities. Manage cleaning systems, food safety checks, staff training, and digital records easily with foodsafety.app. Download it free and simplify compliance management.